Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is very exciting, it's new car day, so that means we're going to head down to I said where I'm going, I'll have to bleep that out. Heading down to the dealership to hand over some keys, exchange contracts, sign some final documents, and then we are going to collect our new car. So yeah, it's lovely weather today, although it's a bit cloudy at the minute. Weather is going to come and pick up. And then yeah, we're going to head down to get the car. Been looking forward to this for ages. I've driven one before on the channel, and I have spec'd one up in the past, but I didn't end up going through with it because it was literally, it's kind of well timed. It was a month before COVID and lockdown, so silver linings that it didn't happen then, but now is the right time and we are finally getting one. So very much looking forward to it, and it's time to go down there. We're here at the dealership, and I'm trying to not get any cars in to make it too obvious of where we are. But yeah, we're here. Weather's lovely. I think I can see it in the handover bay. I can just see the front reg, but it's nice. It's not quite spoiling it, but I'm excited. So time to go in and settle some final documents and hand over this car, and yeah, then we can go and enjoy the sunshine in the new car. Oh, it's time, it's handover time. Let's go out in the sunshine. It's in a bay. Try not to get any of the cars in. Oh, I'm looking forward to this for like a month now. They've been holding it as long as they could have it for us. But there it is. Right, so here it is under the cover. And what we just found out, we've actually got a better deal than we thought we did. And I'll explain in a second. But go on then, let's see it. Yeah, some of you guessed it right on Instagram. Here is our new BMW Sunset Orange competition. Oh. Been looking forward to this. Been waiting for this for 2 years. So there we have it, the yeah, our new M2 competition for the channel. So what I was saying earlier about two optional packages that were on the car rather than the one we originally thought. So on the advert for the car, it said it had the M2 Plus pack, but it's actually got the comfort pack on it as well, which wasn't specified. We only found out this morning on the handover when we got the spec sheet of the car, because I noticed something, one of the options for the comfort pack, and thought, I wonder if it's got everything. So yeah, it has. So we've got the memory seats, which is sort of the main option we was looking for on the car, because there'll be two of us driving it. But it's also got things like the wireless phone charging. It's got Harman Kardon speakers, cruise control, adaptive headlights, auto wipers. It's basically a fully loaded car, and the sun's just come out. Look at that. Look at the paintwork. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, it's basically a fully loaded M2 competition. Obviously DCT gearbox, just for ease. And I think the only options that it hasn't got on the car is the sunroof and the big optional M Sport brakes. Yeah, I think the only difference is that they're 6-pot calipers rather than 4 on slightly bigger discs, but I'm not going to be tracking it or anything like that, so that'll be plenty for me. Plans wise with the car, I'm not planning on modifying it or going too crazy with it. I've got maybe a couple of little bits with it. We've got auto ID, carbon cap mirrors indoors, and the carbon grille off of an X3, which might fit, it might be the same size, but yeah, just be like little aesthetic modifications like that. I might get the dials coated at some point, but other than that, nothing crazy like the ST, like a big turbo or anything like that, because I found it quite aggro to try and put the car back to stock to sell it. This car obviously doesn't really need modifying, it's pretty perfect the way it is power wise and that, so yeah, we'll go from there. But for now, There'll be another video coming soon, obviously my first driving impressions. Obviously I've driven one before 2 years ago, but yeah, now it's my own one, so I feel like I can sort of push it a bit more. But yeah, for now I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend in this and get used to it. So stick around for more, and yeah, more M2 content coming now. I'm going to need to get used to saying that, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one very soon.